Today, this is session 8 in our TikTok training, how to grow your TikTok account and make money with your business. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to become searchable, how you can get on the For You page, get those views up so that you're in front of your perfect customer, because when you're in front of your perfect customer, you will make money, you will make sales with your business. So how do you do that? There's a few different ways. We're going to unpack all the ways in this training module today. My name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I've been using this exact same strategy, and I've gone from 0 followers all the way up to what I have today and made over $400,000 in under 6 months by using all this strategy that I'm teaching you in this course. Now, like I said, this is module 8. So if you have not been going through from 0 to 8 so far, we're going all the way to 13, you need to go back and watch them in order because they are done very strategic, so you build your TikTok channel the right way so you can get in front of the right people and the algorithm is working for you, not against you. That's vitally important. So without further ado, let's chat about how you can get in the searchable bar on TikTok. Here we go.
Okay. This is an exciting training because this is going to teach you how to optimize your content for the algorithm in TikTok. So I have some really neat tips to share. So let me just show you what I mean. So you want your items to be searchable, you want to show up on people's For You pages, and you want to increase your views. Now, how do you do that? Now, so let's just look at one of my latest TikToks here.
Hey friends,
So
are you discouraged and ready to throw in the towel with affiliate marketing?
It says affiliate marketing.
Sometimes it's not the
so
towel.
Quite often, it's hard to figure out how to get in that search bar. All right, what I'm going to show you today, it's going to rock your world. It's going to really help you with changing things. Okay, so you want to know what people are searching for because TikTok is a search engine. They say more and more people are using TikTok to search things, to search content, more than they are using Google. So that's crazy, right? So you want to be in that search. You want to be searchable. That is why I encouraged you to, in the beginning, make sure your bio and your name and stuff talks about who you want to help so that when people are searching, you come up in the For You page. So now this might be a little noisy as we go and look, but let's just bear with me. So you go to the home button down here on the bottom left, and we're going to go to the search.
From Ontario, Canada, and I have been dabbling in making money online for.
So you just heard her, and quite often I say I'm from Ontario, Canada. Now saying that is a search, see, Canadian affiliate marketing. So I was just looking up a few things before I did this video. So let's say I wanted to say make money online, make money on TikTok. Let's see what that comes up with. So make money on TikTok in Canada. You see that right there at the top? This is what it's the top highest thing in the search. Make money on TikTok. Okay. So look at this, make money on TikTok with affiliate. So you want to write some of these things down. So let me just make money on TikTok. I'm going to write that one down. Then I'm going to write actually you could screenshot it, but if you're using your phone, sometimes it's hard because you got to go off on TikTok in Canada. Okay, let's just use that one. But that gives you some stuff. So if I click on make money on TikTok in Canada.
So this question comes up a lot. Can Canadian content creators get paid on TikTok?
You see some.
This is how much money I made on TikTok. Can you make money on TikTok as a Canadian?
People are also searching this. Make money online in Canada.
It is true that
make money by watching TikTok. So we don't really care about
but it is a misconception that you need to be in the
money online in Canada would be another good one.
Videos if you want to know how I make.
So about another one, Canada, passive income.
In Canada, it's very easy to become rich. All you need to.
This is how much I made for the month of June, mostly all in passive income.
So you see passive income.
So just to start things off, what I sell, it's a
look at this.
Hi, I'm Sam, affiliate marketer here. You're looking for a work from home job and you're in
Here's how I create
Work
$2,000
from
to
home?
$3,000 per week in passive income as a
How to invest $1,000 for monthly
Don't
passive
need that.
income.
So we got work from
Budgeting and
home.
spending
We
tracking
have
template,
passive
make up for
income as
$9 Canadian, and I
searchable.
also have a self-employed
mom.
This is how much money I have sitting in my
Let's see,
TFSA
this
right
one
now, and I'm
is-
trying to use this money
That
to
one
rent.
doesn't
Do you wanna
have
be the
it.
first millionaire in
There's
your
no
family?
searchable one there.
Here are my 3 best tips to help you achieve it.
Let's see.
In Canada, it is so easy to become rich because everyone around you.
Canada.
I just found out that my mat leave finally got approved with Service Canada.
Okay, so you saw there some of the words were Canada, make money from home. So you want to try and find words that, so let's look up affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing.
Yeah, affiliate marketing is a scam.
Let me show you how to promote
Affiliate marketing
I
for
started affiliate marketing
beginners.
for beginners in
Okay.
2023. Let's do this. So this is an entire
see.
series
Affiliate
where I'm gonna share with you
marketing.
how to start affiliate marketing.
Dan Bowie?
You know those videos. If you're not making it,
Adidas.
Not sure where to find any.
Which one is the most profitable side hustle in 2023?
So you can see
You'd be
affiliate
surprised
marketing for
because
beginners in
it's not what you think.
2023.
It's definitely not Amazon Associate.
affiliate links with
Okay, so let's write that down. Affiliate marketing in 2023. So you want to make sure it's your ideal client. So let's say mine is women over 50. I search the little women over 50. Let's see.
Don't gossip at work.
Yeah,
sleep with your-
none of those really relate to what I'm wanting. So make money over 50. See what that has.
Hey, have you ever wondered
Oh,
how a
look at
corn
me.
maze is made?
There's me.
I am designing our corn maze. This is where I
There we
work.
go. So
If you're a dad,
it's not a huge
Three-
searchable
this
one,
video's
so
for
I
the
wouldn't even
guys or
worry about
dads
that
that
one
are
because
out
you
there.
can see the numbers aren't very good. So you see what I'm talking about? You're going to now take that information, the ones that have the high amount of views, the most searchable, and you're going to then go to a video. Okay, now this is just a video that I have.
Hey, where's all my Canadian friends at?
So that's
Hey,
all I've
where's all
done
my
so
Canadian
far in
friends
that.
Hey, where's all my Canadian friends at?
Change this down.
Hey,
That was just a little hook I did once. I saw a Canadian flag when I was walking the dog and I thought, hey, I'm just going to do a little hook, and I just saved it because eventually I'll add some more stuff to it. Okay, so this is really neat. Let's say I want to talk about make money on TikTok in Canada. So I will write make money with TikTok in Canada. All right, now I'm going to change my font and I'm going to go over here to luxury. Okay, and I'm making that plain, and I'm going to right now on this, it's kind of green. I want to make it small so it blends in with my background so you don't even see it. I could even make it pink down here. So this is something that nobody's going to see, but no, you can see it there. So I kind of like it better with the green. So make it back green up here. It just helps the TikTok algorithm to, because it's copy on my page and you don't see it, but TikTok, the algorithm picks it up. It's make money on TikTok in Canada. So maybe with this video, I want to talk about how you can monetize your TikTok as when you're in Canada. So this might be something I talk about. You see the Canadian flag. You're going to have my captions on this video, and oh yeah, my volume's at low, so I can't generate captions. But anyway, so it'll have Canada there, have Canada there. So the chances are you will show up in the search bar, and you want to have that because it'll push your videos out there further. You can add another caption, make money or affiliate marketing for Canadians. How about that? Affiliate marketing for Canadians. Oops. Okay, so you do this for whatever country you live in. This is just a little trick. Maybe you didn't say a whole lot in your, trying to get out of the way. Do I have a darker green maybe? Ah, the darker green works better. So let me just change it. You just play around with the colors till you find something that blends right in so you don't even see it. So there you go. So then, of course, you're going to have your captions on there. You're going to have your headline on there, and you'll probably say, how I make money with affiliate marketing in Canada for 2023, right? You're going to put a lot of those key things you just found. You're going to put them in hashtags. You're going to have them in your comments, in your descriptions over here, and you're going to make sure in the title you have it there, and you will get pushed out into the searchable bar. So if you're putting all those things in there, that is a trick for your videos. And that makes you searchable. So you really want to search, write down, take a screenshot of all the different things. If you're talking about something else, maybe you're talking about being a grandma, maybe you want to search grandparents, see if there's anything like that that comes up, grandparents in Canada, whatever. There could be multiple things, and then you can see what other people are searching, and it just brings you down a little bit of rabbit. You want to make sure it's, like I said, it has a good number beside it. So that is kind of a tip and trick about how you can optimize your content for the algorithm. Okay, so you're going to go to your account. Say you posted a video and it's not been categorized. Well, there is something that you can do. So let's open a video and you see along the top, this one is not categorized. While I've been on holidays. So you click on it and you search and say passive income ideas. Let's click on that. What a way to start your week. And then,
you wake up to
there
this.
I am.
Boom. Woke up to
And then you click out of that, go back, go out. And in about an hour, maybe two, even the next day, you should come back on and be able to see your video has then been categorized. So that's a neat way that you can do it after you post a video. Okay, so it just came back. It's been a few hours, and you can see at the very top, it says passive income ideas. So that absolutely worked. So if you go back to any of your videos that you currently have, think about what the topic is, search it out, and then you can try this with your current video. That's awesome. So did you learn a lot? Yes, I know. It's amazing. In the next video, we are going to learn how to never, ever, ever run out of content ideas. It's sometimes if you're a content creator, you can be like, woo, I got to create so much content. But the idea is to have fun with your content and to never run out of ideas. There's so many ways. And in the next video, we're going to unpack it all. If you have missed any of the other videos, go here, start at the very beginning, work your way through so you can build your TikTok channel the right way, get in front of the perfect customer, and have the TikTok algorithm working for you, not against you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.